If you're spending 12 plus hours every tax season on tax returns, neglecting your family, neglecting your kids, neglecting yourself, and having to remind your mom every 5 seconds that you're busy because yes, it is tax season, then this video is for you. I had a conversation with a friend of mine a while back after one tax season, and we were trading stories about how we were super stressed out. This was a particularly tough tax season. And I know that their particular business model is high volume, low cost because they want to compete with other organizations that have lower prices. Because I knew that this was their business model, I asked them, what is stopping you from offering more high value returns or high value or working with high value clients as opposed to the lower value clients? And when I say value, I just mean how much money people are paying. I'm not actually valuing people. And they gave me some reasons of why they felt like their business model was the best for them, and I just disagreed. The first thing they said was that they felt like higher value clients require more touch, they require more time, more energy, and in my experience, that's just not been the case. I used to work on a franchise that required us to do so many free tax returns a year, and my most annoying clients were the ones that paid me absolutely nothing. They wanted a tax return, they wanted consultations, they wanted to be able to contact me at any time of the year and not pay me one red cent. Whereas the clients that have paid me thousands of dollars understand the value of the services that I'm providing. So even if they were a little bit more high touch, they were more willing to pay for the service than people that are a little bit more price sensitive. So in talking to that friend and other tax professionals about their burnout and their stress during tax season, I realized that it really boils down to a couple of different things. A lot of people feel like it is related to the deadline. We only have so many weeks to do all of these returns, but deadlines can be managed. What I think it really boils down to is one, low margin. So you're dealing with low value clients, people that are paying you a couple $100s to do a return. And so in order to reach the goal, the revenue goal that you have to take on hundreds, if not 1,000 plus clients so that you can do that. And you're trying to fit all of that within a certain time period. The second thing is not having strong boundaries. I've been in communities for tax professionals and various social media sites for years, and I see a lot of posts, especially from women, about how their clients treat them, and I can tell it's because they don't have strong boundaries. Because they're dealing with lower value clients and they need a lot of clients to meet their revenue goals, they're usually more apt to kind of take anything from their clients, and their clients are basically dictating how they're going to work with them, as opposed to the tax professional telling their clients, this is the process and you have to fit into the process. And then the last thing is they don't really see a path to being able to offer high value services because they just learn the 1040s. That's what they're really good at. They've been doing it for a long time. And the clients that they're servicing already are price sensitive because they're low value, low cost, and they don't really see the value in the higher opportunities or the higher services that they provide. So after talking to my friends in the tax industry, like I said, I realized that burnout and stress doesn't really come from the deadline because we can manage those. It really comes from the type of clientele that you have, how much money you're charging them, your boundaries in your business model, and not being able to offer those higher value services so that you can work with fewer clients and make the same or if not more money than you're making with your lower value clients. So that's all I have for this video. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And until the next time, bye.